Welcome to the Grade 2 Science class. If I ask you to sit on the living room sofa and observe the things you can see around you, what would it be? Yes, we can see the television, walls, chairs, tables, and vice versa. If I ask you to sit inside a dark room where there is no light, will you be able to see anything? No, right? Why do you think this happens? So today we will be learning about that in the lesson Sources of Light. Natural sources of light, also known as luminous objects, include the sun, stars, fire, and electricity in storm. There are even some animals and plants that can create their own light, such as fireflies, jellyfish, and mushrooms. Aurora, anglerfish, viperfish, glowworm, firefly, black dragonfish, clusterwing snail, jellyfish, krill, mushroom. Man-made sources of light or artificial sources of light, also known as luminous objects, include light bulbs, lampposts, and television. Here are some pictures of some man-made sources of light. Oil lamp, candle, computer, laptop screen, fire, lamp, LED lights, torch, bulbs, tube lights, mobile phones, and other various types of artificial sources which comes under man-made sources of light. Without light sources, we could not see the world around us. However, not every object we see is a light source. Many objects reflect light from a light source. For an example, tables, trees, and the moon. What do you think about the moon, children? Moon is not a source of light. Let me explain you why. Sun is the major and most imperative source of light on the earth, whereas the moon is also one planet that gives light as well, but not of its own. The light that the moon gives is the light reflected from the sun, because the moon does not have its own light. Like moon, water and mirror reflects light. Here is a clear picture of the sun as a luminous object, which is called as a light source which makes light. Whereas the moon is a non-luminous object which is reflected from the sun. Here are some examples of non-luminous objects: egg, tree, stones, glass bottle, car, clouds, pots, flowers, pencils, feathers, animals, and people. Therefore, luminous objects can be divided into natural sources of light and man-made sources of light, whereas non-luminous objects are objects that cannot emit light by themselves. Hope you had fun learning. Have a nice day.